Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. All of you open your English workbook. Article down. Amma, before the vowel sound, before the vowel, we have to keep an article. Before the consonant sound, we have to keep a. Understand me? Before the vowels, we have to keep an. Before the consonant sound, we have to keep a. When they are the specific words, when we are introduce them as specifies, for them we have to use a different article of the. And before the languages, before the sports, before the person name, okay, before the subjects, we should not use any article. We should not use any article. First, I need dash orange for this recipe. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. What's first letter? O. O is a vowel. So, we have to keep an orange. Is that yite or B? Yite. What's spelling of yite? E-I-G-H-T. Yite. That's vowel. Vowel sound. Yite. Vowel sound. Eight. Eight. Vowel sound. So, we have to keep on. And B. B is a consonant, so we have to keep A. My second one is that and H or a B. A B. Next, third one is that view. View. U is pronounced as view. That is a consonant sound only. Actually, U vowel can sound consonant sound ఉంటుంది. U consonant sound. So we have to keep A before the U. Zero. Zero also consonant. So we have to keep A. Third one A only. They are from dash. Dash European country. That is also European country. View. So we have to keep A. A. But I don't know which from. A. Next. I enjoyed dash DVD you gave me for my birthday. My special I have a DVD is another. Here specially that was given. DVD special thing nana. Enduku you gave me on my birthday. That is a special thing. Particularly we are introducing only one word. One noun. DVD అంటే ఏదో ఒక DVD కాదు. నువ్వు ఏదైతే నాకు బర్త్డే రోజు గిఫ్ట్ గా ఇచ్చావో మీన్స్ దట్ ఇస్ a specific word. So we have write the DVD. I enjoyed the DVD you gave me for my birthday. Next, if you are rich, I would buy an apartment in London and a house in Dubai. And A, both. Before the apartment, vowel sound. So we have to keep A. House, consonant sound. We have to keep A. Do you know dash the name of her perfume? Especially we are asking something. So do you know the name of perfume? This school has dash teacher, dash best teacher. Amma, here we are introducing that is special. Best teacher. Best is the superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we have to use the only. Here. Before the superlative degree, she is beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Most beautiful is the superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we have to use the article of the. Best, good, better, best. Best is the superlative degree, so we have to use the. Next, I play. Here, rewrite the sentences by adding the appropriate articles in the correct place. Articles are missed. By using the articles, we have to rewrite them. Rewrite the sentence. Rewrite the sentence by using the article. I play. Write down. I play on the red slider. I play on the red slider in the park. Before park, the is missed, and before the red slider, the is missed. Here articles are placed. Underline them. First one. And the second one, she opened the window. She opened window before the. She opened the window to let the sunlight in. Before the sunlight also we have to use the article of the. Before the sunlight in. Next, third one. I saw a butterfly. Before the butterfly, A, because this is a consonant sound. I saw a butterfly today in the park. In the garden. In the garden. Next, fourth one. Raj met with accident last week. Accident, there is the vowel sound, so we have to use the article of an accident. Raj met with an accident last week. Next, I managed to sleep for just an hour. Here hour. Actually spelling is H-O-U-R, but pronunciation is hour. Hour. A is silent. Sorry. H is silent. In hour, the spelling is H-O-U-R, but H is silent. Here pronounced A only. Hour. A is the vowel. So before the vowel we have to use an. I managed to sleep. I managed to sleep for just an hour. Complete. The next page. Fill in the blanks with appropriate article a and the. Leave the space blank if no article is needed. Amma, if no article is needed, you must fill in the blanks with the article of a and the where they are necessary. And sometimes before the person name we should not use any article. Before the language we should not use any article. For that you must leave the space. అది అలాగే వదిలేయాలి, ఏం పెట్టకుండా అలాగే వదిలేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, I went dash apple, I want dash apple from that basket. Apple, apple is the vowel sound, so keep an apple, an apple. Second one, the church on that corner is huge. Before the church we have to use the article of the church, the church. Mrs. Dilshad speaks Gujarati. Gujarati is the language. Gujarati is the language. Don't use any article. Otherwise keep cross mark. Keep a cross mark. Don't use any article before the language. Gujarati is the language now. Telugu, Hindi, English, like that. Gujarati is one of the language. Before that we should not use any article. Next, I borrowed dash pencil from your sister. I borrowed a pencil. I borrowed a pencil. A pencil. Pen, pencil is the, here is the O consonant sound, so I kept a. Harsha likes to play volleyball. Amma, yesterday I said you, before the sports, volleyball, cricket, football, before the sports we should not use any article. Volleyball is a sport, so we should not use any article. I am keeping cross mark. అక్కడ లీడ్ చేయమని అడిగాడు, బట్ మళ్ళీ మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు కాబట్టి నేను క్రాస్ మార్క్ పెట్టిస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్, I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. Umbrella. Umbrella is the, here is the vowel sound. Umbrella. U. Umbrella. Okay. Vowel sound is there, so we have to use an umbrella. An umbrella. Next. Please give me dash toy that is on the counter. I am not asking any toy. ఏదో ఒక టాయ్ ఇమ్మంటేనేమో ఏ అని పెట్టాలి. వాట్ ఐ am asking? I am asking a special toy which is on the counter. Specially he is asking one of the toy that is on the counter, so that's what we have to keep a the. He is not asking anyone, he is asking the only one that is on the counter, so the toy. I lived in dash Ashok Nagar when I was young. Places names before the villages names, before the towns name, before the places names also we should not use any article. Karimnagar, the Karimnagar, we should not use like that. A Karimnagar, a Hyderabad, we should not use any article before the places. Okay, so keep cross mark. Keep a cross mark. Ninth one, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is also the name of the country. Sorry, name of the state. Name of the state. It is a proper noun. Before the proper nouns, we should not use any article. Country name, state names, city names, town names, person names. Before them you should not use any article. So keep cross mark. Dash ink is my dash ink in my pen is red. Particularly we are specially saying that ink. So the ink. We are not saying any ink. Just we are saying in my pen ink. ఏదో ఇంక్ చెప్పట్లేదు, నా పెన్నులో ఇంక్ చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ స్పెషల్ చెప్తున్నాను కాబట్టి ఇందా పెట్టాలి. Our neighbors have dash cat and dash dog. Our neighbor has a dog and a cat. A. She wants to visit the most famous temple on that hill. Amma, most is a superlative degree. Before that we have to use the only. We have to use the before the superlative degree. Okay? Complete your answers. Next, circle the correct article. Circle the correct article. Hari wanted to read comic book. A comic book. A and both are given now. A comic book. Right? A. Leela went to an island. Island. That is not island. Island is the oval. So we have to use an. Circle for an. Next, my mom likes making an or the cake from scratch. The cake only. The cake. A also suitable, but A is not given there. A kuda suitable avutundi kani A ledhu kada, ikkada an and the unnai. So I kept the. The dog caught dash bone. A bone and bone. Bone is the consonant sound. Bone is having the consonant sound. So we have to make a circle around the A. I saw dash unicorn. Ammadi you actually you undi you vowel kani pronunciation unicorn. Pronunciation is unicorn. So circle for A. Unicorn and book also A. Oval. I quickly ate dash cookies. Actually cookies before we should not use any article, but he asked to keep. That's what the. Plurals mundu elanti article pettadu. Okay, but he asked to keep. That's what I kept the. Dash egg. An egg no. For A, an egg is shaped like an oval. Oval is a consonant no. An oval. An igloo. An igloo is made of ice. Our workbook is completed. Then now take your activity book. Will you do? This is your homework. Okay, I will explain you. Complete the following sentences using the appropriate article. This quote was designed by a famous. First one is A. Would you like to watch a movie? A. Is he an actor? is the vowel sound. So and. Bill Gates is richest. Superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we have to use the. Bill Gates is the richest man in the world. I recommended you to eat dash pancake in this bakery. A. Dash Salajing Museum is closed today. It is the before the rivers, before the special park names, we have to use the article of the. Can you tell me how to go? The post office. The post office, the railway station. These are the special things. Before that, we have to use the article of the. An apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay? Complete. Next, the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty. Look at the pictures and name it using A and the. The Statue of Liberty, an egg, a violin, the Ganges. Amma rivers mundu kuda manna dani article pettali. Before the rivers, before the mountains, the Himalayas, the Mount Everest. Okay, the Krishna river, the Yamuna river, like that. Before the rivers also, we have to use the article of the. Dinosaur, a dinosaur, a cake. Mount Everest, the Mount Everest. Octopus, an octopus, vowel sound. Sun, sun is a special thing, no? So, the sun, the moon, the sky, like that. Monster, a monster. Next, you know this story. Take next page. You know this story already. Once, in this story, dove, water, leg, shore, hunter, arrow, leaf, and. Fill A and the to complete the rebus story. Take the help of from the box to read the story. Here the pictures are given. The pictures names are given at the above the story. Once a doe. Before the doe, what we have to keep? A doe. Sa dash ant. This is ant, no? Before the ant, we have to keep an ant. Before ant. Once a doe saw an ant struggling in the water. In the water. He took pity on the ant. Second time మనం ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు నాన్న ఏదో ఒక ant. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక ant కాదు. స్పెషల్గా డో ఏదైతే ant చూసిందో అదే ant గురించి మనం చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం కదా. సో నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్పెషల్ టు us. So I get the ant. He took pity on ant and threw a leaf. ఒక leaf వేసేసింది. A leaf to the ant. Again we are introducing about that ant only. అదే ant యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దా యూజ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ climbed ant to the leaf. Climbed on to the leaf. ఇక్కడ లీఫ్ మళ్ళీ దాబెట్టి ఇక్కడనేమో ఏ పెట్టాలి, ఇక్కడేమో దా పెట్టాలి. ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఒక లీఫ్ రా, ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఒక లీఫ్ కాదు. ఏదైతే డో ఇచ్చిందో ఆ లీఫ్, స్పెషల్ లీఫ్. About that leaf, we are talking about this leaf only. So I kept the leaf climbed onto the leaf and reached the pond safely. After few days, the ants saw a hunter aiming an arrow at the doe. Here the doe, because it was introduced second time. Specially we are talking about that doe. ఏదైతే మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకున్నామో అదే డో గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా. దట్స్ వాట్ వి కెప్ట్ ద డో ఫ్లైయింగ్ అబోవ్. హీ వాంటెడ్ టు సేవ్ ద డో. సో హీ బిట్ ద హంటర్స్. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడనేమో ఏ హంటర్ అన్నాను, ఇక్కడేమో ద హంటర్. బికాస్ సెకండ్లీ any one of the hunter not, he is only the hunter which is aiming at the doe. The hunter's feet, hunter's leg. The hunter missed his aim and the bow flew away. You know the story? Do you know? Yes, you know the story. Once upon a time, a doe saw an ant which is dropped in the water. ant ఏమైంది, యాంట్లో వాటర్లో పడి స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతుంది. అది పైకి రాలేక స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతుంది వాటర్లో. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది డోకి చాలా పిట్టి అనిపించింది కదా. అక్కడ స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతుంది, యాంట్ వాటర్లో పడి కొట్టుకుంటుంది, స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఏం చేసింది, చెట్టు పైన ఉంది కదా డో, ఒక లీఫ్ని ప్లక్ చేసి యాంట్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ పడేసింది. పడేయగానే ఏం చేసింది, యాంట్ మెల్లగా యాంట్ ఆ లీఫ్ పైకి వచ్చి సేవ్ అయిపోయింది. నౌ డో సేవ్డ్ ద యాంట్. ఓకే, దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఆఫ్టర్ some of the days, a hunter entered into the forest. ఒక హంటరు ఫారెస్ట్ లోకి వచ్చి ఏం చేస్తాడు, he is aiming the doe. ఆ డోని షూట్ చేయడానికి ఆరోతో షూట్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉంటాడు. ఇదంతా ఎవరు చూస్తారు, ఇట్ వాస్ సీన్ బై అన్ యాంట్. యాంట్ చూసి ఏం చేస్తుంది, డో తనని సేవ్ చేసింది కదా, యాంట్ని సేవ్ చేసింది కదా. అందుకోసం ఏం చేసింది, యాంట్ బిట్ ద హంటర్స్ లెగ్. సరిగ్గా షూట్ చేసే టైంకి ఏం చేసింది, బిట్ చేసింది. ఓకేనా, కుట్టింది. కుట్టేసరికి ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ షేక్డ్ హిస్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఓకే, వెన్ ఈ షేక్డ్ హిస్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఇట్ వాస్ షూటెడ్ సమ్వేర్. హీ వాస్ షూటెడ్ సమ్వేర్ అంటే అతని షూటింగ్ మిస్ అయిపోతుంది. The doe observed that and fly out. Okay, this is a story. Bye. Today's class is completed. Bye, Nana.